Hey all, today if we see a non-living thing like a cycle and a tree is living and it's a non-living thing cycle. So what is the main difference between them? The main difference is that cells, cells. The trees possess cells, but the cycle lack them. So living things have cells. All organism is made up of cells. And if an organism with a single cell, it is known as unicellular organism. And organism with many cells, like a human, it's a multicellular organism. In a multicellular organism, there is many specialization. The cells form tissues form organs, organs form organ system, and organ system made up of the organism. So, unicellular organism is capable of independent existence. Independent existence and essential functions. It can do that. All the functions as a human being we do, the unicellular organisms like the amoeba, bacteria, something that can do. Now we can talk about the discovery of cells. First, who discovered cells? Robert Hooke. He discovered cells. He did not discover any living cell. Instead, he saw or discovered dead cells. He mainly cork cells from a cork. It's actually bark of trees. The man who discovered living cell is Anton van Leeuwenhoek. He's a man who discovered living cell. He discovered from the bacteria human sperm cells and RBCs. And lastly, Robert Brown. He discovered nucleus of the cell. Nucleus, which is the brain of cell, it controls the cell. Next topic is cell theory. Cell theory. The scientist who uh, discovered this cell theory is Matthias Kleiner. He is a German botanist. He discovered that all plants are composed of cells, are made up of cells which form the tissues of a plant. Second is Theodore Schwann. He is a German zoologist. He found that all animal bodies are made up of cells. He also found that plants possess cell wall, also cell membrane. And he said all living organisms have the cells of all organism contains cell membrane. These two scientists found the cell theory, but this didn't prove how the cells divide. That is how new cells form. So another scientist named Rudolf Virchow. He's a man who said new cells new cells come from pre-existing cell. He said omnis cellula sorry cellula e cellula, which literally means cells come from cells. All cells come from cells. The literal meaning of this. And next we are going to see the postulates of cell theory. What are the postulates? All organisms are made up of cells. Is a basic and products of cell. Products of cell means literally the tissues, like a tissue, organ, or a product. Which can be also said the products of cell means another the products like enzymes that active. Next postulate is new cell arise from pre-existing cell, which is said by Rudolf Virchow. And another postulate is that all activities in the organisms are the result of activities of individual cells and the interactions among them. So this means that all activities which the organisms do, it's a result of the activity which is done by the individual cells and interaction between different neighboring and cells. That's all for today's video. Thank you.